Sam, what happened?
Oh, I've missed such a day!
What day? Groundhog Day?
Groundhog Day? No! The anniversary of my return from the Tibidabo Mountain!
Ah, congratulations then. Here.
What's this? Where's my present? And a festive cake.
Well, all right. Here.
Let's see. This isn't even food!
You need to open it first. Sit here. There. See for yourself.
These are just ordinary, though very delicious cookies. And small ones, too.
What do you want then?
I want a giant gummy! And a present.
Hi guys! Today I'll be making a giant gummy Oreo for Sam. I'll use this Oreo-shaped lid. It'll make a wonderful mold.
Candy?
What candy, Sammy? Soon you'll have your giant gummy. You can't eat so many sweets.
Gummy and candy are different things.
Actually, I have something better than candy for you.
Oh, yeah? What?
Just wait and you'll see.
Ugh, why do I always have to wait?
To make a gummy Oreo, I'll need some instant coffee and milk. Also some sugar and gelatin. I'll pour some water into the pot. Like this. Add some coffee. Here. And stir it really well. Wow. Then I'll add some sugar. That should be enough. And a few spoons of gelatin. Then, I'll stir it well to combine.
Just don't combine milk and cucumber, and you should be good.
What valuable piece of advice! Right. I'll set it aside and make the mix for the white part of the Oreo. I'll pour in some milk. There. Add some sugar. Along with the gelatin. There. Then I'll stir to combine. It should look like this. Almost like the creamy filling, right? The gelatin has bloomed here, and it's time to melt it. I'll put the pot on the stove and wait for it to melt completely. Be very careful here, guys. The stove is so hot. Make sure you ask a grown-up for help. Ooh, it's so goopy. There. Looks good. Now I'll take the lid from the Oreo box and pour the mix into it. Nice and slow.
So big and all mine.
Well, actually, you can make a gummy in any shape you want. This one, for example.
Don't forget about the white part.
Don't worry, I won't. The gelatin has bloomed here as well, and it's time to heat it. Remember to stir it constantly while heating. Now I'll pour it into the Oreo box. Carefully now. By the way, did you know that in Latin, gelatin means stiff or frozen? And the small mold too. Wonderful. Now let's wait until it firms up.
Why do I always have to wait? Wait for gummy to firm up. Wait for my present.
No waiting for your present.
Really?
Yep, come on. Here, dear Sammy, a present for you.
Oh, wow. The box is so big. I'll go open it then.
Let's check our gummy. It's firmed up and it's time to take it out of the mold. I'll carefully peel it off. Oh, wow, it comes out so easily. Oh, it turned out so cool! Guys, if you like it, give a thumbs up. Now let's check on the small one. Oh, it looks good too.
There is nothing good about it. Doesn't look like an Oreo at all.
I think it does. Now I need to pour in the mix for the second half. Here. And here. Ta-da! The speed freeze has been successful and the second half is ready too. I just need to take them out of the molds. And the white part too. There you go. Wonderful. Now I only need to assemble everything. I'll flip it over. Put the white part on top. Like this. Then I'll cover it with the second half. It's done! Oh, it looks like the real thing, only much bigger. Very rubbery and fun. Wow. Hey, Sam, come here!
Oh, mine?
This one's yours. And this one is mine.
Yours doesn't look like the real thing.
I think it does. Guys, what do you think?
I need to put it away. Oh, what a gift.
Sam, what are you doing?
I need to put your present somewhere to admire it.
What, do you know what's inside?
Well, of course I do. But tell me, just in case.
These, Sammy, are strawberries. They're very delicious, almost like candy, but much healthier.
Really? Well, I don't know. Strawberry sounds... Well, take giant Oreo, for example. By the way, it's time to taste it.
Here, a giant Oreo for you.
There! That's what I call an anniversary treat.
And I'll try the small one. Not bad, but too much coffee. Hey guys, if you like this gummy, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see Sam's new culinary adventures as soon as possible. Bye-bye!